Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you how to measure for a custom curtain. Before you get started, this is what you'll need: a tape measure, a pen and some paper. The first step is to draw the window on your paper and note where you're going to measure. We've added a handy reference under our how-to section on our website. Be sure to follow the same points. Start measuring from points A to B as shown in our diagram and write down the measurements. Continue until you have completed all measurements. You can also browse some of our most popular pleat headers and add that info to your quotation request. Once you have all the information, fill out the form at curtainstudio.co.nz/free consultant and we'll be in touch with you to provide a free quotation.